Thanks for joining us. Former President Donald Trump taking the stand today in the civil trial surrounding his business dealings. CBS's Naomi Ruckham is in the courthouse where it all unfolded today.
Former President Trump calmly stared at the news cameras before Monday's session got underway. But not long after he was sworn in, things got testy. Trump drew several rebukes from State Supreme Court Judge Arthur Engoron for giving speeches, not answers. The judge called a brief recess, asking Trump's attorneys to control their client.
Trump has thrown in there.
Columbia University law professor John Coffey says provoking the judge won't help Trump's cause.
And Donald Trump does very well in political campaigning when he explodes, but it doesn't work in court.
The current GOP presidential frontrunner is accused in an alleged scheme to dramatically inflate his wealth in order to get better loans and financing. He testified he feels some of his properties are actually undervalued, and outside the courtroom repeated his claims of political persecution.
It's a very unfair situation. This is really election interference. That's all it is. This trial is ridiculous.
New York Attorney General Letitia James said she expected name-calling at the microphones.
But at the end of the day, the only thing that matters are the facts and the numbers. And numbers, my friends, don't lie.
The potential financial losses are staggering. The case could cost Trump $250 million in penalties and bar his iconic company from operating in New York.
That would really virtually terminate his business empire.
Last week, Trump's two older sons testified, downplaying their connection to financial records. Eldest daughter Ivanka Trump is expected to take the stand on Wednesday. Naomi Ruckham, CBS News, New York.
New polls are showing Trump is gaining ground in his 2024 campaign. In the race for the White House, a survey found that Trump leads President Biden in Nevada, Arizona, and Georgia, which all went to Biden in 2020. The New York Times and Siena College ran that poll together. President Biden also having unfavorable numbers in that poll in both Michigan and Pennsylvania. We're going to have an in-depth look at these new numbers and how both sides are reacting to the trends tonight at 5. Turning now